Hello and welcome. If you have a importing audio problem with DaVinci Resolve and Linux, I might show you two possible workarounds for that. Let's check out the problem. So I have a video here. It's in the mp4 format container, and let's just take a look. Video and audio is working perfectly fine. Now I'm importing the video file. And here you also see the little icon which shows that there should be audio in this file, but now we don't see any waveform, and when I turn it on, you hear nothing, nada. So what's the problem? I've been doing some research, and after a while, I finally came across this paper from Blackmagic Design. It shows all the supported formats and codecs in DaVinci Resolve in the different operating systems: Mac OS, Windows 10, CentOS. CentOS is the officially supported Linux version, but this is this works with all other Linux versions as well. So let's go to the audio codecs. And here we have the problem. It's advanced audio coding. The AAC codec is neither decodable nor encodable under Linux. And the AAC codec is unfortunately in the non-professional use, one of the most available audio codec out there. So what can we do? We have to, in order to get this audio working, we have to change the audio file within the mp4 container. There are two different ways to do this. First, I'll show you a way to transcode the file with the program FFmpeg, which works on in every Linux distribution. I'm sorry. And the second is an elegant fix if you use a Nemo file manager. So what do we need to do? We need to first install, if you haven't already installed it, the program FFmpeg. It's a collection of audio and video codecs and a program to transcode any codec into another codec. So Ubuntu-based distribution, sudo apt-get install FFmpeg. I have already installed that. And how to get this program running. You create a new document. You rename it. I call it encode.sh. .sh because it's a shell script, so Linux knows how to use it. Then let's open it. And you copy this little script into it. FFmpeg is a program. It applies to all mp4 files. Just be aware, if your file ending is written in capital letters, you have to change this here too. The video we only want to copy because we don't want to change the video format. It's working perfectly fine. And the audio codec is being changed to the PCM audio codec. And because I believe the mp4 container doesn't work with the PCM codec, we're changing the container into the MOV, from mp4 to the MOV container. So save. Very important, in the properties we have to give the file the permission to execute as a program. Now you open the folder where you have the video you want to transcode. You open the folder in a terminal. Simply drop the file in the terminal, and it takes only very few seconds, and we have the new video, the video transcoded in the MOV container, this time with a new audio file. So let's check it out. You already see the waveform. Yes, it works. You can work with it perfectly fine, and it's great as we're not touching the audio, as we're not touching the video. It takes only a few seconds to convert. Sorry, let's get back. If you are using If you're, for example, using Linux Mint or Ubuntu, then you're probably using the Nemo file manager. And there's a very nice workaround extension for this file manager, which you find on GitHub. The URL, of course, you'll find below. This has been made by Georg from Germany. And you click here, convert videos for DaVinci Resolve. Debian package installation. Download the DAP package from the latest release on GitHub. This is a file, Nemo Action DaVinci Audio. That's the latest version. Open with the package installer. I've already installed it. So, and now you have this wonderful little thing here called DaVinci Audio Adjustment. So right click on the file, DaVinci Audio Adjustment, you click on it, just a few seconds, and you have the converted file. Again, the video part didn't get touched, the audio got transcoded in the PCM format. Let's just take a look how it really works. Whoop. This way. Yes, it's all here. Audio is working. Very nice, elegant workaround with one click. I love it. Big thank you to Georg who wrote this little extension for the Nemo manager. This makes my life and hopefully your life a lot easier. Bye.